Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. This morning I'm going to do a Mississippi pork pot roast. Let's get started. Have to do mine a little bit different. I have a bit of a beef restriction, so here's how I'm going to do it. I already have 2 tablespoons of butter melting in my slow cooker. Now, I have to remove the seeds out of these peppers if they're already. I've not used these before, so I don't know if there is or is not. I'm using, this is actually pork tenderloin that I sliced into chops that I'm going to be using for mine. And like I said, I've already got my butter in here, so I'm gonna lay those down inside there. Of course, you would adjust this for however many people you're cooking it for. I'm making it for myself and Tom, but he also takes leftovers for lunch the next day. That's why I'm putting 4 in there. First things first, I want to put some salt in here. Quite a bit of salt. That's the first thing I wanted to get out of the way. Now, let's check these guys. I really don't know if I'm supposed to be slicing them open, but for medical reasons, I have to. Ooh, and you better watch out if you do, because it hisses at you. It did. Oh, yeah. Yeah, glad I did that. I kind of figured that's what it was going to look like in there. You know, you really don't have to eat these. It's healthier if you don't, I think. Stomach don't digest them that well anyway, so why eat them? Okay, got that cleaned out. Now I'm gonna do that with all these right quick. This is what I just put in there. I put 6 of them. It says that 3 is a serving. And if you're counting carbs, then you have to make sure and count all of that. Yeah. We also have ranch dressing. Just the dry. I'm assuming this is fine. That's what I have on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, now I don't have the au jus, so what I'm using is the beef flavored bouillon cubes, or the beef flavored bouillon powder. I use this all the time with my turkey, ground turkey. So it was suggested by a friend of ours who's been doing keto for quite some time. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in there. Now, I have a choice of doing one of 2 things, and that is to put about a 1/4 cup of water in here. So instead, I'm going to put a tablespoon of water, and I'm going to put a tablespoon of this juice off of these peppers in here. Now, once this starts cooking good, it'll have a juice down in there, and I'll baste and stir all this around. But until then, that's how we're going to do that. And I'm going to add some more salt to the top, because we know we need this salt when you're eating keto. You got to have those EMs, like sodium, potassium. Okay. Now, I've got this on high. That's how I always cook, use my slow cookers on high. So, I'm going to do that for about 6 hours. And then I'll get back with you. In the meantime, I'm going to finish cleaning my house. See you soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click the notification bell. You'll be notified of each time new content is put on my channel. If you like the content, I wish you would click the thumbs up button. That lets YouTube know that you enjoy my content and you like it, and it kind of gets my numbers up for them. So if y'all could help me out, I'd appreciate that. And again, I just would like to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. And thank you for all of you that's been sticking in there with me. Don't drop me. You never know what you might see that you're really going to enjoy. I'll see you in a little while. This has been on for about 3 hours now. And I'm telling you, if you all could smell this, oh my goodness. It smells so good. I might be tempted when it's done to do a little taste test before Tom gets home. Yeah, it smells really good. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to give it a stir. Remember I told you when I started this that it would make its own juice? Well, it is. And oh my goodness, it just smells amazing. You know, I don't know if I'm going to shred this. I'm going to flip them over though. I don't know if I'm going to shred this after these are done, or if I'm just going to use them as whole, do the whole pork chop. Oh, golly, it smells delicious. Come on up out there, you. Big guy. Wow. My daughter and grandchildren are coming over after a while. I just wonder what her thoughts are going to be when she comes in and smells this amazing slow cooker meal going on here. Wow. There we go. Let's just do it like that. And there you go. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, buddy. I'll be back in probably 3 more hours. Of course, it's going to seem like a couple of minutes to you. Or maybe even a second. But I'll be back soon. See you then. Okay. It's done and it smells delicious. Let's get it out and put it in our dish. And taste it. You already know. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh. It's still in the, I sliced, you know, I told y'all I sliced it for pork chops. I really don't know if I want to shred it or just leave it like that because they look just so delicious. Look at that. You see this? Look at that. It smells wonderful. Let's go ahead and get them out of here. I think we're just going to eat them like this. Yeah, we won't do the shredding. We'll skip that part. Wow. Wow, smells delicious. Get this out of here. Ooh, that's a little bit hot still. Right. Now, let's get some of this good juice out of here. Spread it over those chops. Remember, this is called Mississippi Pork Pot Roast. Yeah. How about let's give it a taste? What do you think? Ooh, nice and tender. Of course it should be because it's a tenderloin. Let's see here. Oops. Dropped it, didn't I? Yeah, let's smother it around. Slather it around. Alright. Oops. Oh look. Do y'all see someone behind me? Mmm. Mmm. That's very good. There's a little piece down there. I think I might have put just a little too much salt in it.
That's amazing.
Well, there we go. We're going to go ahead and get a few more things done around the house. And then we'll have supper. Mississippi pork pot roast. That's what we're calling it. Bye, y'all.